If you're an artist, producer, or content creator and need a clean, professional album cover without hiring a designer, OpenArt AI can do it fast. In this video, I'll show you how to make an album cover with AI using OpenArt step by step from idea to final export. And also, quick reminder, if you're willing to start with this service, we have a nice link for you in the video description. And if you click on it, you'll be taken to the website and you can start easily and follow me along with this tutorial. And now, with this being said, let's begin. And firstly, as an introduction, let us talk about why OpenArt AI is great for album covers. So OpenArt AI works especially well for album covers because it allows high-quality AI image generation, precise style control, also genre-based visuals, image-to-image refinement, and square formats, perfect for streaming platforms. And this works for Spotify, Apple Music, SoundCloud, YouTube Music, and even physical releases. And now, before we begin, just make sure to define your album vibe. Before generating anything, you need clarity. Think about music genre, mood, color palette, realistic versus illustrated style. This will directly affect your prompt quality. And then, guys, how do we begin? In the very home page, you go image, drop this down with a button, and then choose create an image. And this will drop us to this interface where we can start generating our beautiful covers. And in here, make sure that your canvas is set to square. Okay, so size is set to, there you go, square 1:1. Our resolution is set to as high as possible, so preferably 4K. Let's go with that. And you're generating cover art, not generic images. And now you're ready to write the prompt. The prompt is being written right over here in a prompt field, as you can see. We can describe what do we want to see in the image. And now, this takes us to the step of writing a strong album cover prompt. In the prompt box, you describe the cover clearly. For example, let me just type in mine and I will read it out for you. And here you go, guys. So for the prompt tips, always include album cover art, mention mood and genre, avoid too many details at once, keep it visually focused. And as you can see, this is my prompt. Album cover art, dark cinematic mood, lone figure in fog, dramatic lighting, high contrast, professional music artwork, square format, just like chosen by us. And now when you're ready to generate, just click on create. I will create 2 images, okay? And as you can see, we'll be charged 120 credits for generating this particular type of image in the particular quality. Press on create. And now just wait for the AI to do its work. And also, if you wish to iterate and refine, you just adjust the lighting or color mood, simplify busy backgrounds, and emphasize a central subject. You can type this all in after this, or just change your prompt a bit and include your pretty much modifications. Improvements on it, you can just use image to image to refine it while keeping the same composition. And then also, don't forget to include the artist name in the cover, album title, and also best practices generating the artwork without text. I'll leave the negative space for typography, add the text later in the editor if needed. And then, guys, once you're happy with the cover, you can just download the image now. Before downloading, just click on it, and there you go. This is going to be our cover art. As you can see, we have the edges with this cool little visual effect on the borders of it. We have the shadows and echoes, the Wanderer. Great, look at that cover art. This is the first one, and the next one is still being generated. And now, as you can see, we have the height and width, all 4K, aspect ratio, and we have also the model that was used to create it, which is Nano Banana Pro. Then, guys, when you're ready to download, here you go, there's another one. to download the image, you just download as, and I always download as a lossless format. And there you go. As you can see, it's a whopping 17 megabytes in size, almost 18. As you can see, it's highly detailed. Look at that. That's actually pretty impressive. Look at that. The text is not blurry whatsoever. Yeah, it looks beautiful. I like it. And we have the man in the background. Nice. This looks sick. I like it. And this is pretty much how you use this AI generation tool to create your music covers. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe, guys. And of course, see you in the next video.